Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, if you have some confusions or if you want some answers for something you have in your mind, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first, guys. So we have Seven of Earth, Messenger of Fire, and Nine of Water. So, in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So, you are thinking about something, guys, maybe planning about your future. You want to make an important decision today, so some opportunities have reached you, so you are deciding on that, reflecting within yourself, so what will work for you or what will be the highest good for you. So thinking and planning your future, and you are at an important juncture at this point, so you need to decide clearly for yourself, guys. So it may be some career choices you are making, guys, or something regarding some projects or some kind of opportunity in your work situation. And you are, Virgos, you are someone who is really determined and strong willed. You have great confidence in yourself, in your skills and talents, and you feel that you can trust your skills and move forward, and you are simply inspired and motivated today to take up something and achieve certain things for yourself, and you feel that you can do it, and you are someone who loves adventure and who loves to do things in their own terms. So maybe you are in an important place in your work, maybe you are a team leader or you are the CEO, someone who holds an important position, and that is why I see you acting on your free will. You are determined, headstrong, confident, and skilled and talented. You have a lot of experience also, guys, and that may be the reason you want creative action for yourself, or you are moving towards creative action, and you are deciding on some important things in your life today, maybe some important choices, and these choices may work for you, guys, because I also see that you are moving towards some kind of a completion, happiness and success, fulfillment of your dreams, and you are doing it happily, doing your work happily. So whatever you have worked for, all that efforts that you have made is going to give you the fruits of success today, guys, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards. So overall it's a happy day, guys. It is something like a challenge, something which you love. It is a loving challenge you are facing today, and you are happy to be making those choices for yourself, guys, Virgos. So for your relationship, guys, let's see what is the card. It is Star. So in your relationship, guys, you have dreams and goals you need to achieve, And today in your relationship, you have what to say, you are seeing great hopes for a better change or a better time in this relationship. Maybe with this person you are moving towards a better understanding, and things are falling into place, beginning to fall into place, and you are seeing the changes, the manifestation happening right in front of you, and you are hopeful of a new phase in this relationship, in this connection. You feel really inspired to be with them, inspired and confident. So, and you are happy, guys. Maybe you are wishing for an engagement or marriage, maybe, and that may come true, guys, because I see you are hopeful or faithful about a positive turn in your future, Virgos. So, for your career situation, guys, we have Six of Fire. So, with this card, guys, in your situation, you are moving towards some kind of what to say, your reputation is growing, maybe because of the way you are working, way you are successful. So things are going in a positive way, guys, and you are a greatest inspiration for others in your career situation, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So we will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it says harmony. So in your situation, guys, in any circumstances in our daily life, we see that harmony is missing in our day-to-day life, in our society or in our circumstances, and conflict seems to be the norm. We are in so much stress, anxiety, and to bring peace and harmony, it is a really difficult thing. It is something that is what to say, that needs to be worked on, guys, to bring that peace and harmony in our day-to-day life. And we need to understand that all this stress, conflict, anxiety, what is the reason for that? The reason for that is our thoughts. So we are always worried or we are always thinking about certain things, and we have fear and judgment in our thoughts, in our mind. That is the reason we face so many conflicts in our day-to-day life. So to obtain peace and happiness, we must first learn to quieten our mind, guys, and be able to see our situation objectively from a different point of view, just like a third person. So when we see our situation from a different perspective and the people in our situation differently, we will be able to find harmony and accepting others as they are without any expectation. That is going to fill our life with peace and happiness. And when we open our heart to let this harmony flood us and change the situation around us. Bit by bit, our world will change, so the people and the circumstances we are in will change, and that change should start from us, guys. So, that is the energy. So, we should be able to relate that harmony first to ourselves, then to our circumstances. So, that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, we have poisoned apple, jealousy. So in your situation, guys, maybe there is a person who is really close to you, who wants you to think of them as a friend, but they may be holding some grudge against you, and they are jealous of you, and they are finding the right way to approach you to harm you. So you need to be really careful with this person. And also, guys, in your circumstances, there are certain things coming towards you. It may look like a gift, but it is a temptation that is going to poison your soul, and that is going to push you into some difficult circumstances. So you need to refuse it right away. But even if you choose it, maybe you are too tempted or you cannot avoid it, and maybe you do not know the truth about these choices and you accept it. You need not fear, guys, the choice or the decisions that you have made, because the pain that you will go through in this journey, it is going to give you that gift of insight and experience, and it is going to give you clarity in your relationships. So you are a target of jealousy and revenge. So if you are able to avoid that person, maybe you may know who it is. If you can, you need to avoid them, guys, and you need to think clearly. If you are making some important choices or decisions in your life, you should think for yourself and not trust others, not trust anyone in these circumstances. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.